Hey guys, this is the Samsung Galaxy Watch 3. This is the 45mm LTE version. And let me show you, this is the SM4 SMR845U. Let me show you what it contains in the packaging. It says on the back it's the 45mm face, 22mm standard strap, wireless charger, reference guide, Samsung terms and conditions. This is what it says on the back. Water resistant, 50 meters, 4.9 feet. And so let's get opening it. So this is the watch itself, with the black leather strap. Let's take a look at this inside this reference guide, inside this packaging. Right up down here we have the charger. And up here we have open from back here. Here's the reference guide, the quick starts guide, and your other terms and conditions. Put that aside. It's your charger. Just a basic Samsung charger. I'm pretty surprised it didn't come with a wall charger, but that's okay. I have plenty of others. Wall chargers. And that's what it says on the back there. And here's the watch itself. Let's see if it turns on. Okay, turns on. Samsung Galaxy Watch 3. So the Mystic Silver, it's really nice. I would say it's almost the exact same as very similar to the original Galaxy Watch. It's hard to tell on camera, but some of the areas right there is very chromish, and right there it's matte. It's like stainless matte on the side, and chrome bezel, that's the chrome. This part right here is chrome. So that's the back of the watch. .45mm stainless steel case. Let's go ahead and start this up. Galaxy Watch 3. It has the nice click as the original Galaxy Watch. I would say it's slightly a little better than the original Galaxy Watch. It's a little more precise, no skipping forward. I'm trying to skip. It does not allow me to skip forward, it gets stuck in the center. This is the premium genuine leather. I always wondered, do these buttons rotate? Like, do they turn like the Apple Watches? Do they? Oh, they do. I'm gonna check if, I'm gonna let you know in another video if this actually controls anything. It appears to not be controlling anything, it's just a normal button. So let's see what this looks like. On my wrist. I can say that the leather feels a little nicer than the old version. That's the original Galaxy Watch, the normal straps that it came with. And it fits decently nice. I heard this tracks your sleep. It has Samsung Pay, GPS, Wi-Fi, Bluetooth, and LTE. It was like $12 on my last Galaxy Watch. And we'll see how this turns out. I'll let you guys know, make an in-depth review about how this watch performs. And I'll go ahead and do that for you. If you guys liked the video, please like, subscribe, and comment down below. And I will put a link down at the bottom of the video if you guys would like to buy this watch. So thanks for watching.